Welcome to class today. Today we'll be looking at simultaneous equations. We'll be looking at some complex equations where you will be having to combine the laws of indices with simultaneous equations. So we're going to see how can we answer questions in that manner. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, I want to encourage you to do that right now. Okay, it is 7. And you were asked to find the value of x and y. So how do we answer this question? This is equation 1, this is equation 2. If you have not seen my video on simultaneous equation, you can check the description. You will see the link to the video where I broke down simultaneous equation, both elimination method, and I did another video on substitution method. You can go there to see the foundation, the basics, because today's questions are at a higher level, and if you have not seen the introductory aspects, you may not understand what we're doing today. Alright, so the first thing you want to do here, according to the law of indices, so you want to ensure that this equation is simplified, and then you have a simpler equation. So using the laws of indices, for your equation 1, you have 2 raised to the power x plus 2y equal to 1. According to the law of indices, when you have 1, it's the same thing as 2 raised to the power 0. Any value raised to the power 0 is 1. So I can rewrite this as 2 raised to the power x plus 2y equals to 2 raised to the power 0. Right? And then my 2 can cancel 2. So I have x plus 2y equal to 0. This becomes my equation 3. Okay. Then for my equation 2, which is 2x plus y equal 27. Okay, I can also convert this to have the same base number. So 27 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 3. So I can have 3 raised to the power 2x plus y equals to 3 raised to the power 3. Because 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Alright, so this time around, this can cancel this, then I have 2x plus y equals to 3. This becomes my equation 4. So I've been able to simplify equation 1 and 2 to give me simpler equations, which are equation 3 and 4. So now having equation 3 and 4, let me rewrite equals 0, equation 3. Then 2x plus y equals 3, equation 4. So now I can use substitution method, I can use elimination method to answer this question whichever way. Well, let's make use of substitution method. So in equation 4, let's make y the subject. In equation 4, okay, y will be what? 2x will cross to this side and become minus 2x. So I have y equals to 3 minus 2x. Then I will substitute y into equation 3. So if you make y the subject of formula in equation 4, you substitute it into equation 3. So if I want to do that into equation 3, I would have x plus 2y equals 0. That's equation 3. X plus 2y equals 0. Where my y is equal to what? 3 minus 2x. So I will say x plus 2 into brackets 3 minus 2x all equals 0. So I'll open this bracket up. X plus 6 plus times minus is minus. Take note of that. A lot of people will not take that into consideration. You have to consider the sign behind this plus 2. Behind this 2, it's positive. So plus 2 times 3 is plus 6. Plus times minus is minus. 2 times 2 is 4x equals 0. So now I can collect the like terms. X minus 4x equals 6 comes to this side becomes minus 6. X minus 4x. You are owing 4 naira. Let's use Nigerian naira for example. You are owing 4 naira. You have 1 naira. if you pay the 1 naira you are owing out of the 4 naira, if you pay the 1 naira that you have with you, you would have a debt of 3 naira. So minus 3x equal to minus 6. And then you divide both sides, divide through by coefficient. What's the coefficient of the x? That's minus 3. Minus 3x equal minus 6, divide both sides by minus 3. This cancels this cancels this. X will be equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So to find y, substitute x into equation. Just look for either of the simpler, either of the two that is simpler. Let's into equation 4. What is our equation 4? 2x plus y equal 3. So anywhere you see x here, replace with 2. 2 into bracket 2 plus y equal 3. 4, 2 times 3 is 4 plus y equal 3. And so your y is going to be 4 crosses degree, 3 minus 4, y equals minus 1. So let's cross check to see if our answer is correct. If you come over, let's use this equation 3 to check. Equation 3 says x plus, so to check. So to check, let's check. Equation 3 says x plus 2y. Let's see what our answer will be if we're going to get 0. Okay, what is our x? Our x is 2 plus 2y. That is 2 into bracket. What is y? Minus 1. Plus times minus is minus. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And you see we have 0 here. And if you're checking with the third one, 2x plus y. Let's see if our answer will be 3. That's 2 into bracket. What is our x? 2. Plus our y is what? Minus 1. Plus times minus 1 is minus 1. So that is 4 minus 1. The answer is 3. And you see we have 3. So this equation is correct. Our x and y, our x is 2, y is minus 1. I hope that is clear. Let us look at another example. Before we continue to the second question, the second example, I want to sincerely appreciate all our subscribers that are returning back to this channel to see this video. And I also want to encourage as many of you that have not yet subscribed. There are many of our viewers that have not subscribed. Please do well to hit that subscribe button now. That is your own little way of saying thank you to us. Okay, so please do well to hit that subscribe button and remember to share this video with your friends. If you have a question, do well to ask the question in the comment section. I will be back to give a response to your questions. If you have any topic you want us to do a video about, do well to drop it in the comment section. I'll be right back to give you the video. All right, so let's go to the next question. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So in equation 1, 27 raised to power x over 81 raised to power x plus 2y equal 9. So let's turn all these values to number 3 raised to power. Okay, so 27 is the same thing as, okay, so it's the same as 3 raised to power 3. And you know if there's a power of x, so 3x all over. This is going to be 3 raised to power 4 into brackets this. So 81 is the same as 3 raised to power 4. Right? 3 times 3 is 9. By 3, 27 by 3, 81. So 81, then you have x plus 2y, all equals to 9 is the same as 3 raised to power 2. So what are we going to do here? According to the law of indices, when you have a number that has a power and you have same base number, but different power, you have it dividing each other, you can actually move this up here. When you move it up, so you're going to have 3 raised to power 3x divided by 3 raised to power 4. So let's try to open this bracket. 3 raised to power what? 4x plus 8y. If you open this bracket, all equal to 3 squared. So here I'm going to pick one of these according to the laws of indices. I'll pick one, and then because it's division, I'll subtract this power from this power. So So that will be 3x minus what? This power is what? 4x plus 8y all equals to 3 squared. At this junction, I can cross out the 3. So here, let's open up this bracket. We have 3x minus times 4x minus 4x. Minus times plus is minus. Take note of that. A lot of students make mistakes there. If you do not consider multiplying this like this to change this sign, then you are going to get a wrong answer. So this is minus times plus is minus 8y all equal to 2. So 3x minus 4x is what you are owing 4 naira. You have 3 naira. If you pay the 3 you have, you still have a debt of 1 naira. So that is minus x minus 8y equal to 2. So let's rewrite this equation to make it simpler. If you want to rewrite this, it's advisable this negative x, let it cross to this side and become positive. Let the minus 8y cross as well. Then these two can cross to this side and become negative. So if you do all of that, minus x will cross and become x plus 8y equals minus 2. Or you can as well say multiply through by minus. That becomes x plus 8y equals minus 2. So we have been able to resolve the first equation. So this becomes our equation 3. And of course, we can make this our equation 4. X plus 4y equals 0. Equation 4. Now these are two simpler equations, and from here we can. So let's proceed. You can use your elimination method, you can use substitution, but I prefer to use substitution method for this question. So in equation 3, x is going to be what? Minus 2. Okay, so let's use equation 4. In equation 4, from this equation 4, what will be our x? X will just be 4y crosses here and becomes minus 4. In equation 4, x equals minus 4y. Substitute x into equation 3. What's equation 3? X plus 8y equals minus 2. Anywhere you see x, replace with minus 4y. So minus 4y plus 8y equals minus 2. Minus, you are owing 4, you have 8. If you pay your debt, you will still have 4 left. So our 4y going to be equals to minus 2. Then divide both sides by coefficient of y, and that is 4. So you have 4y equals minus 2 divided by 4 divided by 4. Your y is going to be 2 here 1, 2 here 2, minus half. Your y is minus half. To find x, substitute y into equation, let's solve it into equation 3. Okay, if you solve into equation 3, you have x plus 8y equal minus 2. So our y is minus half, so you have x plus 8 into bracket y is minus half equal minus 2. So these two we cancel the 8 here and give us 4. So that will be what? You have x plus 4 times minus 1 plus times minus is minus 4 equal minus 2. So what's the next thing to do? If you collect the like terms, x will be equal to what? Minus 4 crosses here becomes 4 minus 2. X becomes 2. So your x is 2 and your y is minus half. Let us check if that answer is correct. So check. We want to check using equation 4. Let's see if our x plus 4y, let's see if it will give us 0. Our x is what? 2. 2 plus 4 into bracket. What is our y? Y is minus half. Minus half times 4 means 2 cancels 4, that is 2. That is 2. Plus times minus is minus. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So can you see equation 4? Our answer is 0. And if you check with this, you get minus 2 because x plus 8y equals minus 2. Replace x with what? With 2. 2 plus 8 into bracket minus half because y is minus r. So 2 cancels this, that is 4. So that is 2 plus times minus minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So can you see this is correct? Okay, so I wouldn't like this video to be very long, so I would like to put a stop to the video at this point. Just 2 questions, you can go over it and then attempt many other questions. I want to believe you enjoyed the class. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, this is the time to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted anytime we post a new content. Thank you for being a part of today's class. My name is Coach Paul, and on this channel we give you classes on physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Thank you for being a part of this class. See you in the next class. Bye for now.